Weather, I thought it'd be fun to learn about fog. Have you ever wondered how fog, when you go outside and it's kind of been warm and then it's kind of cool and you've got the really dark, spooky fog coming in? That's just mean. Have you ever wondered how that happens?
Yeah.
You guys know what condensation is?
Yeah. No.
Condensation. You know when you have a cold drink and you've got the water on the outside of your cup? That's condensation. What about evaporation? Have you ever heard about evaporation?
Yeah.
Hayden, what's evaporation?
Sorry.
Need help? Timmy, can you help him?
It's when water dries away.
When water dries away. Like if you have on a paper towel and you lay it out, it evaporates. Does that make any sense to you? Evaporation, condensation?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to create fog in my little jar here. Okay? So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to be good watchers. I need a volunteer to go get me some tape and come tape this right here. Derek, you're nice and quiet. Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
Hopefully this works.
Since you've never tried it.
Well, I've tried it. We'll see if
Two
it...
pieces or one?
I need 2 pieces because we're going to tape the sides.
Boys and girls, tell Mrs. Waddell what we've talked about when we are scientists. Does everything always go as planned?
No.
But does the scientist always try?
Yes.
And sometimes do they have to make messes and try again?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're excited to see if this works.
So if this doesn't work, we'll just keep going until we see what we want, what we're supposed to see. What you should see is fog. All right.
Scoochy, scoochy, Derek.
What is that, water?
This is just warm water, okay? And I'm just going to pour warm water in
Is
here.
it hot?
No, it's just warm. It's not real hot. We're going to go about there. Then I'm going to take lovely food coloring. Hopefully don't get it all over me like I did earlier.
Practicing it.
Okay.
That's
So do you see anything happening to the top of the jar up here?
Yeah.
You know what that is?
Fog.
Well, it's not fog. It'd be condensation. Remember how I told you that you've got your condensation that forms its water?
Then you're going to put ice in there. Or
All right.
See the fog?
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Tell me what you see.
Kind
see
of like
fog?
smoke. Yes.
Did it work?
Yes. Kind of.
Kind
Where's
of.
the ice in?
I see it from here.
You don't see fog?
No.
Should we try? You want to try it again?
Yes.
You sure you don't see fog?
Yeah. Put
That's
three.
what the paper's there for. So you
Put
can
3
see.
matches in here.
All right.
Or what about 4? 4 matches would not.
All right. Well, let's try it again and see.
Whoa,
if we
I
get
see it at the top.
Yeah. All right. Let's see if we can get. Should get really good fog here. Oh, that went in my nose. Okay.
Drop it.
So what? If we drop this in, we should get fog, right?
Yeah. You put 2 of them in. Why don't you just dunk the ice in there and then put a match in there? That wouldn't work. It would just go. Who knows?
See your condensation?
Yeah. I see
So when it's a foggy day, what happens? How's the fog disappear?
the sun's warmer.
The sun, because the warmer it evaporates.
Yes.
Do you know what is in all that fog?
Water.
Water vapor and like dust particles.
I
Pretty
thought.
cool.
Do you mean dust chemicals?
No, particles, like little bitty dust specks.
Learn it.
And basically a giant cloud that sits on the ground.
I want to see it again.
Is there fog in there?
Yeah. I want to see
Can we see it?
Take it off. I can't see it. Take it off. There is some in there. Oh, I can smell the smoke.
Do you see it?
No. No.
You don't see fog?
No. I see it by my eyes.
That would be all the cloudy stuff that's in there.
Oh. Take the ice off.
Okay?
There's no smoke. If you take the ice off, it would just...
Colton, were you able to see it from over here? Because the paper was
I
there.
can see it. Take the
Can you
ice
see it?
off.
Take the ice off.
Yeah. It'll come out. Next time you come back, make it something that can glow, and then you can turn off the ice.
Glow. Science, I think science is fun. It's one of my favorite subjects.
So jealous.
Do you have any questions about it, Braxton?
Drop some ice cubes in and drop the match in.
Drop some ice cubes in, cool the water down and see what happens?
Yeah. And then drop a match in.
Then drop a match in?
That's a big one. Now drop. It's
I have a really neat video to show you too.
Oh, you do?
That kind of, that explains fog and your
Whoa.
dew points and... Okay, so I've got ice in there.
And then
What's it going to do to my water?
Cool it down. Make it
It's going to cool it down, right?
Then you put a match in. Put 2 matches in. Put 2.
I'm only going to put 1 in.
Yeah,
This
we don't want to
might-
waste them.
Might hurt me if I light any more than I...
Aww. It isn't going to light. Now. You don't really need the ice now.
I'm going to light back. You need to scoot back.
Yeah. Drop it. Now drop it. Drop it.
Okay. You think we'll have fog in there now?
You don't really need it. Yeah. I see it.
Do we?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
It's going away. Yeah, it went away.
Are you sure?
No,
Why do you think we didn't get fog this time with our ice in there?
Because it's colder. It's colder.
Because it's colder. Because to create fog, you have to have warm air meeting cold air. Does that make sense? So when it combines, it creates that cloud.
It's kind of like ice. You get a plastic bag, and then you put ice over a little campfire, and then the stuff will melt, and it'll kind of make fog.
Yeah, sort
I
of.
tried that before.
Yeah.
The bag's kind of dripping.
My ice is melting. So we didn't get fog with the cold water, did we?
No, we did.
With the cooler? But we got fog with the warmer water, right?
Yeah, we still got it. What happens whenever we drop a match in the bag?
I'm not dropping a match in the bag. Nice try. Alright, so you guys want to see my video I've got?
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Except that I'm going to have to scoot back here.
Oh.
Look
Can
out!
we go
Do
back
you
to
still
our
need
days?
this?
Yeah.
That would have hurt.
Alright, I have no idea how to use this. So,
Can I pause it?
Yeah.